Guys, as you can see, I already have the tools out, like the tool set I was telling you in other video. So what I did, I bolt back the admission, so the fuel I bolted back together. And get them all bolted. Very easy without the injection and more. This is new. These bad boys are new. We have all of this to do, and everything you can see. Sorry for the bad video, but I think you will see. Yeah, I have to put these back together, these back together, LPG kit back together, these back together. It will be easy. As you can see, if you can see, I put this valve back together and the idle control valve back together too. They are very easy. And we have this rubbish fix. I did my first rubbish fix on the car when I got them, and I don't know how to say, but when I bought the car they don't came with this, and I did this fix and worked well till now, till we can see. So let's back to the work. I'm trying to speed up at this job and see if the car starts working on the LPG and salvage parts, and let's see. Guys, as you can see, I changed the thermostat housing and I did all the preparation I need and mount it again. This is a very simple vlog of me working on the car, waiting to see what is different, what is new, what needs next, and let's see. Next time I will do it more detailed, but this time it's a little shorter. I need to be faster in this work, so the builder employer we contracted to build a wall in this site the car are will have the space to work. I need the car to move on their own feet. So hope you like it, hope you enjoy it. Sorry for the known content. I will need a belt next probably, and I break a bolt. When I receive that stuff I will make a video for you, and let's see how this is running. So fanny lights again. What's new? I don't know why that lights are on, but I will try to troubleshoot them. Probably same cable or something like that. Let's see next time. Hope you like it, hope you enjoy it. Give it a thumbs up. Bye guys.